Hey guys, EOS Gadgets, back with another video, and today I'll be showing y'all how to make your character whatever you want in Roblox when you're building a game. So first what you want to do, my recording's in the way, I'm going to move that real quick, sorry. Alright, first thing you want to do is right click StarterPlayer, insert object, Humando, whatever that's called, click it, and click it again. And go right here and type Starter Humanoid. It's supposed to say that. So next what you want to do is get a noob, whichever noob you want. I'm going to use this one. Some of them don't work, you'll have to switch over and over. And then you're going to type StarterCharacter. Like that. So now it'll be this. And you can customize them. So what you're going to do is move them down to StarterPlayer. And now you just play. And boom. Now you're that character. You're the noob. Now if you want to make a block, this might work. Let me see. These right. The torso. How do I expand? Oh yeah, scale. So you just kind of stretch them out a bit. Stretch, my pretty. Stretch. Oh, too far. No, don't join to the ground. Okay. Let's see here. Go up a bit more. Let's see if I can make a cube. Okay. Now that is weird. Oh yeah, I remember why it didn't work last time now. I didn't move starter character back. You have to move starter character back to starter player. I wonder if this works. Let's see. Oh, it does work. That's it. So that's basically how you make whatever you want in Roblox. Your character. It should make everyone that. It's pretty cool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check out my other channel, and see ya!